The Aurangabad bench of the Bombay High Court on Friday slammed the centre for its insensitive approach over the issue of supply of more than 100 dysfunctional ventilators to hospitals in Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Supreme Court on Friday agreed to examine a plea seeking cancellation of Class 12th examination to be conducted by CBSE and ICSE boards and posted it for May 31, a day before the centre is likely to take a call on the issue after getting suggestions from state governments. Engaged in a bitter battle with global social media companies over its new rules from IT intermediaries, the government had some respite on Friday, with top companies such as Google, Facebook, and WhatsApp agreeing to appoint statutory officers in line with the guidelines. The centre shifted West Bengal Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay on Friday to New Delhi and asked him to report at North Block by 10 am on Monday. Few months into a constitutionally dubious military takeover of civilian power in Myanmar by the Tatmadaw, the situation in the country has moved from media headlines. The army is maintaining high operational readiness to thwart any unusual activity by China all along the northern border, said General M.M. Narvare on Friday. The US government on Friday redirected orders of critical vaccine manufacturing supply, which will allow India to make over 20 million additional doses of AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. Hackers linked to Russia's main intelligence agencies, SIR specialty, seized an email system used by the State Department's International Aid Agency to borrow into the computer networks of human rights groups and other organizations of the sort that have been critical of President Putin. Infosys chairman Nandan Nilekani said India is one of the cusp of major artificial intelligence innovations and Indian companies should look to apply AI to areas such as healthcare, education and judicial system. Neetu Kapoor and Rishi Kapoor's daughter and Ranbir Kapoor's sister Radhima Kapoor Sahni may have chosen to stay away from showbiz, but she is successfully entrepreneur. In an exclusive chat with media, she took back at her career choices and jokes how she can now become a chef after spending a lot of time watching Gordon Ramsay cooking shows during the lockdown.